Sanibonani igama welcome ungwakadlamini usiba likhulu ujama kaSjadu Nkomozi Dlekhanga ubayiswele belusi uSigunya Mkhonto umfazi mabele madwa ancelisa ingane engaphesheya kumfulu uzalisa umqubazela ukubhala kaXiselele emvula umagaduzela umzizi insizwa eqedwa ke ngizozibeka lapha ezami ibongo ngusiba likhulu bafowethu okay ngizela namhlanje ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngesigameko esiye saba naso kwi-episode edlulile esiyishutile ePenthouse. Kuye kwaba nedrama eke yabakhona eyenza ukuthi uRay egcine sehamba egcine engasalalanga ePenthouse. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi babone idrama isiyenzeka yabo sekujijelwana ngamagama sekuthiwa wena bani inani uyabona kodwa umsuka wendaba abantu abawazi uyabona bengawazi nje abantu umsuka wendaba kwaze kwahamba kwafika ekuthenini the episode comes out and then abantu bayayibona. When the people started watching the episode you cannot blame people. They react according to what they see. You understand? So ama reactions wabantu and the comments that followed after watching the episode mina bengwahleka angifuni uqamba manga bengwahleka was laughing yabo ngihleka ngakhala inyembezi you understand because it showed me ukuthi how much people are invested kulomsebenzi esiwenzayo uyangizwisisa so okuyisona sizathu bafethu esingenza ukuthi ngihlale kule studio namhlanje ngisho lento engizoyisho namhlanje ukuthi ngifuna ukunibonisa ukuthi there is no bad blood between mina no Ray Sacha or Ulisa umlungu wami even there is no bad blood between us. What we do umsebenzi kuphela. So the misunderstanding that we had ngaloba busuku loba something was said or something happened in the bedroom. You understand? When we were all seated there, when we were all there sitting there, siyixoxela. You understand? So emva ukuthi kwenzeke leyo nto leyo kwaba nokuhluthuka kwenhliziyo. You understand? Kodwa kwe understanding ukuthi sizelana sizosebenza we were supposed to address that issue in front of the camera even ngalelo langa lelo on the same night we were supposed to address it in the same night but asikwazanga ukwenza lokho ngenxa yemoya ibiphezulu ingane zakwethu ngenxa yemoya ibiphezulu asikwazanga ukwenza lokho kodwa ke nansi indaba la ikhona ngithi angikhulumele 1 angikhulumela uSasha 2 angikhulumela umlungu wami 3 angikhulumela uChris ngisikhulumela mina this is for me ngane zakwethu welcome Dlamini ngithi kini uma ngabe izinkulumo zami ngikhulumile zithe mayifika kwabanye abantu zafike zangayithola indawo zahlala zafike zangalithola ikhaya zahlala zafike zangakuthola ukunethezeka zahlala ngiyaxolisa abafowethu ngiyaxolisa ingane zakwethu uNkulunkulu ufakazi walento engiyikhulumayo it comes from the heart akunamuntu othe kimi welcome hamba uxolisa it came from me ukubuya kimi ngiyaxolisa ingane zakwethu into engifuna there's one thing that I want to assure you ukuthi there is no bad blood between mina no Ray ayikho there is no bad blood between mina no Ray uRay sinje mina no Ray siyiphepha lehlama siyiphepha lesihlaba no Ray and nizokubona lokho when you guys just watch the space nizokubona lokho. So bafethu I wouldn't call you fans, but I would call you ifamily ye-CMTV. You guys are family. So kini family ye-CMTV ngokukhulu ukuyithoba nangokukhulu ukuzehlisa ngumfo kaDlamini ngithi ayidle ishiyele ngithi maluju ngithi shwele zingane zakwethu bengakona ukulwa kokulwa bekuukulwa komsebenzi bekuukulwa komsebenzi ikhona enye i-comment that I saw that said uDlamini usekakhuluma nomlungu wakhe kanjena akumelanga abukhuluma nomlungu wakhe kanjena umlungu wami ngiyaxolisa nakuwo ngiyaxolisa mlungu wami angeke ngize ngichamele isihlahla engihlala phansi kwaso angeke ngize nginyele isihlahla engihlala phansi kwaso igcineni kosuku wena umuntu ongikhokhelayo igcineni kosuku wena umuntu ongikhokhelayo so the respect that I have for you it will never change no matter what happens it will never change now okunye ngifuna ukusho bafethu okuncane nje before ngiyivala ukuthi empilweni that is what I have learned mina empilweni ukuthi umgwaqo awukho kanje angeke usuke la uye eThekwini lo uhambe nje kanje uzuyongena eThekwini engekho amaginqiginqi kunamaginqiginqi endleleni bafowethu kunamagquma kuyenyukela kwehlele kujike kushone phansi kushone phezulu nempilo injalo even the life that we are living injalo bafethu inamaginqigonqo please ngiyacela nizwisise leyo please understand that ukuthi angeke kube smooth njalo there will be ama disagreement there will be ama misunderstandings azoba khona no matter how much or how hard we try to avoid azoba khona but when those disagreements or misunderstandings come it doesn't mean that sesiyazondana sazwani uyabona guys you'll see just watch the space you'll see what I'm talking about mina no race nje amathe nolimi eqale ngithe iphepha nesihlama sinje ibhande nebhlue mina no race nje shout out to Rain bafethu ngiyamthanda bafethu Ray ngiyamthanda umlungu wami ngiyamthanda uSasha ngiyamthanda uPhinda namhlanje sinophinda shout out to uPhinda sinophinda emva kwecamera namhlanje uChris akekho uChris uthe uye Limpopo hambilo eLimpopo wangishiya athi Dlamini ngiyahamba I'm going to Limpopo ngabona epostile kuma status ukuthi uhambile useLimpopo uhambe no Eric shout out to Eric bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ngani zakwethu ngiyaxolisa ngokukhulu kuyithoba ngiyaxolisa yabona lento eniyenzile engibonisa uthando if beningangithandi benizothula if beningangithandi benizothula benizobukela episode niyithulele nje nivalele umlomo wenu but because of the love that you have because of the love that you guys have for me for CMTV and for umsebenzi lo esinenzela wona ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu nguDlamini bengicela ukuthi uthando lwenu lungaputshuki njengensipho emanzini uthando lwenu maliqhubeke lube njalo isupport yenu ngisayidinga kakhulu ngane zakwethu ngihlezi ngikusho lokhu namanje ngisakusho ngaphandle kwenu welcome akayilutho ngaphandle kwenu iCMTV as a whole ayilutho sila isikhona namhlanje it's because of you sila izoba khona kusasa it will be because of you so ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu keep supporting CMTV keep loving uDlamini keep loving uSasha keep loving uRia keep loving umlungu wami bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyathanda thank you so much ngiyabonga phinda shout out to you mfethu thank you so much my brother
hello the viewers to CMTV so today ke tlo bolela le site la ka about what happened to Komabonile ko Rosebank so this is what happened to Rosebank Ray o tsamaile in the middle of the night asirbutsero wa kae so nna le Dlamini eritsoa ekseni simthola ngekho so okay we were surprised because motho ne rena lena na le shapo jiki motho tsamaile and asirbutsero wa tsamaya okay the following week rene re le Komaboneng and then fihle Komaboneng mina no Dlamini samthola lapho so we were surprised or ufihlile jang Komaboneng because last time ne rena lena asirbutsero wa tsamaya So like we were surprised. So okay, Sapo, like not only this other feeling, nersa understanding na letlamini. So we decided to remove because na communicate le rena o no tsamaya fela like in the middle of the night o no tsamaya like we were concerned gore na o sharp mo aleng because she just left. What if rena le tlamini re mdrile something, like I feel like santja bolele, I feel like o fihla character ya gare. So really e fihla ko maboneng ka mthola ana le Mr. Lee ba le two fela. So I was surprised gore baba two fela jwang cause le nna o be santse ba ke tsebe gore re wa o tlo fihla. So I didn't know gore re o tlo fihla tsikitse ke mthola ko maboneng cause last time ara khona lo bolela like ara communicator, she just left. So mo maboneng, okay, we apologize for that gore nna le tlamene re mtloshile. So we apologize the viewers to go CMTV. So kopa maitshwarelo batho ba gaeso. So kopa le re tshwareleng for what we did cause ke rile ke fihla ko maboneng ke re ke mo fa hake a gana. I don't know why na bifa le nna cause na ke tseba nna le nna re le Sapo ga tloga ko Rosebank. So re fihla ko maboneng o fa di attitude nyana tse dingwe tse re sa di understanding, like we were surprised gore re mo rileng na le tlameng. So re kopa maitshwarelo guys for doing what we did, like re bana ba motho guys, but re batho re dire mistake. So kopela le re tshwareleng for what we did at maboneng. So yeah, le rena ne re se sharp because he just left and a re botsa re wa kae and a sa re botsa le re fihlile safe. So ne re le concern about yena. It's not like re mohloila ra mohloya ke ngwana ba rena ra morata le na wa rata. So nna ke tlile mo ke tlo kopa tshwarelo for what we did. Yeah, I feel like re ga in date. So she's pretty, I'm pretty, so like there's no way nga bifa le yena. So like every time I get mo yena, like she give me a cold shoulder. So that is why nna ke decide or like le nna ke tikemele nna le tlamene re ikemele, like cause she was giving us a cold shoulder. So that is why re dirile mara guys, we are so sorry for what we did. Yeah, I just feel like really too much of all no more like woman. So re kopa maitshwarelo as for lena di viewers tsa ko CMTV. So we are so sorry guys for what we did. Ke ngwana bo rona le yena. So guys, sorry for what we did. Like I just feel like Mr. Lilena like nam pusha gore ke direlo tsene ke di dirang wa bona. You can't just bring someone in the house for Dlamini and then after uchile le yena. Why is it chile Dlamini? Because now I'm here for you, Mr. Lee. So Lena, you were busy pushing me gore ke direlo tse ke di direleng. Mara I'm sorry for what I did. Mr. Lee, I think Rosanta bolele nnete today. Santa bolele nnete.
Hi guys, this is Lily Hlogonolo. I want to add on top of my housemates, pen housemates, there's been a lot of confusion, and I feel like there's a lot of things that were not clear to the viewers or what's going on. Dlamini hates Ray, and Dlamini is cool with Ray. Sasha is also cool. Also, they spoke after. What happened is that I feel like me and Ray, we have how do I put it? I feel like we have a history. Yeah, I'll leave it there. So I don't know. I'm thinking the fall. I don't know if guys, this is hard because when Ray came, now I was trying to be nice to Ray. Yeah, well, I was trying to be nice to Ray. I was trying to protect her as well because I felt like she's a stranger to them. Yeah, well, because Ray kept saying Lee should tell the truth. So maybe that is the truth that she wanted me to say. We have a history. Mar, I cannot be I cannot be punished. I cannot be punished for the history. Yeah, bo. It's the past. And anyway, me and Sasha, we are in the middle of fixing things so that, you know, a clean slate. Even if Ray wants to come again, she's more than welcome. Actually, Sasha was talking to Ray earlier on the phone, so I'm not sure if she's coming. And then also, also they are in good terms. Okay, the first penthouse, Ray left because this one is tough to answer because Ray left and she just said I can't sleep, and then she left. And then when she get home, she's like, I will explain why I left, but I wasn't comfortable. So I never really got the definition, the explanation, because she never really tell me what happened. I don't think Sasha and Dlamini made Ray leave that day. I feel like she was uncomfortable because I was with Sasha most of the time. So I don't know if she's jealous, but I feel like Ray, okay. I feel like Ray also, she's wrong. Here's why. When we were at the penthouse, Ray asked for my jacket. Ray asked for my jacket, and there were blankets there. She didn't want them. So now I gave her the jacket because I don't want to be a bad guy. So now I'm thinking, what if she wanted the jacket because she wants, Sasha to feel somehow? She also asked for my gown. Why didn't she ask Dlamini? But she asked me because she knows me, but I don't know the motive why she asked. Yeah, well. So what I'm saying is that we are in the middle of fixing everything. Don't be angry at Dlamini, Ray, Sasha. Everyone is at fault. We are fixing everything. I'm also at fault. I take the fall, and I'm the one who brought Ray, so that's why I'm taking responsibility. And I want Ray to be free when she comes again. And Lisa also, she's around. I don't know if I have, but Lisa doesn't have a beef with anyone, so she's cool. Yeah, so I think I'm good. I'm done. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, we are human beings. We make mistakes. We all make mistakes. Please, let's not crucify other kids, even myself. Please don't crucify me. I make mistakes. Thank you. God bless you. Tango.